Hello friends, recently, a leak via Twitter revealed some fascinating details about the battery capacity of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for next year. According to Sawyer, Luke, Samsung is sticking with a 5000 mAh battery capacity for its flagship phone, along with 45-watt rapid charging. This decision aims to balance performance and cost-effectiveness while ensuring a reliable battery life. Additionally, there's buzz about stacked batteries originally intended for faster 65-watt charging, but Samsung seems to have delayed this feature until the release of the Galaxy S26 Ultra in 2026. We'll discuss the implications of this decision and what it means for the future of Samsung's flagship lineup. But that's not all. Another tipster, PandaFlash, dropped some exciting hints about a new function called Battery AI, rumored to debut in future Galaxy S series generations. While details are scarce, Battery AI could potentially optimize battery usage by intelligently managing background tasks, offering an additional 5% to 10% runtime. We'll explore how this feature could revolutionize smartphone battery performance and what it means for users. Considering PandaFlash's track record, we speculate that Battery AI might make its debut alongside the Galaxy S25 series next year. This innovative feature aligns with Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology and enhancing user experience. Finally, we'll discuss the implications of these developments and invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about the future of Samsung's flagship phones? Let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech news and innovations. Thanks for watching and peace out.